Hello, it's Brian Engel with the Lock Team at Realty Group and Semler Construction. I'm out in front of one of our newest models. This is the Ethan floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1680 finished square feet and an unfinished walkout basement. So let's have a look. As you can see, you got a 3-car garage. Got a good sized front porch, which is kind of nice. As you enter the home, you'll see a nice open foyer, which, you could see a bench there and a spot for shoes. You've got a door to go downstairs, stairs to go upstairs to the 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And then you've got the living room, dining room, and the kitchen. So this is a good sized kitchen. You got about a 5-foot center island, which is plenty of room to work with. You've also got a nice walk-in pantry and a main floor half bath. Some closet space there off the entry from the garage. So a 3-car garage. I think one of the beauties of this home is you might have closest to the most equity. Well, let's not say that, but you'll definitely have equity from day one. Here we've got the laundry. So you've got a upstairs laundry, which very handy. And then you've got 3 bedrooms. So here, let's call this the 3rd bedroom. Good size walk-in or good size closet. 2nd bedroom also has a good size closet, and the 2nd bathroom, we'll call it, is a full bath. Check out those vinyl floors. Looks like marble to me. And then the owner's suite. Over here you've got a 3/4 bath. And a real good sized walk-in closet. This home, as I said, is in Legacy Pines of Isanti. It's 1037 Bel Air Boulevard. And it's really one of the last homes on this street, or this part of Bel Air Boulevard. So you won't have a whole lot of construction going on around you. And we will get the sod in here and the irrigation system shortly. Downstairs, we've got an unfinished walkout basement, as I mentioned earlier. So you could theoretically kind of put a wall coming off of there, box in your mechanicals, quite a bit of storage back in here. Or, actually, I'm sorry, this is a rough in for a bath. So that's kind of nice. And then you've got plenty of room down here, and maybe another bedroom there, and a large family room here. So again, this is 1037 Bel Air Boulevard out in Legacy Pines of Isanti. It backs up to kind of 2 drainage areas, and then Legacy Park is off into the woods with a nice trail that goes back in there. Perfect home for some great family memories. And I'll be here from 1 to 3 today. Stop on out. Or for a private showing, give me a call, 612-703-6899.